In this video, we will show you how to replace your high-mounted third brake lamp assembly. Let's get started. To gain access to our two mounting nuts that hold this in place, we are going to need to remove the rear side of our headliner. On our application, we have an aftermarket handle in place. I'll use an 11mm to remove each of my mounting bolts and then the handle. Now we can continue on to some of our push clips. You're going to find 4 of them making their way across this area. Remove all 4. To easily remove these, use a trim tool. Now we can carefully grab onto this and tug it down a little bit. We're looking for the third brake lamp wiring harness. That's this black connector right here. It's held in place to the body with some little push clips. I'll carefully get in between the body and the connector itself and gently separate it. There's a little push tab. Now we can disconnect that. You'll find that you have a little squeeze tab where my thumb is. Give it a little squeeze and separate the area. Quick inspection for corrosion. Assuming it looks good, go ahead and set that aside. Now if you were to look inside of this area, you're going to be able to find 2 10mm headed nuts that hold the brake lamp in place. Let's remove the pair. This one's over towards the passenger side. Once you have the mounting hardware out of there, go ahead and grab onto that assembly, give it a little wiggle, and lift it straight up and away from the vehicle. Keep in mind there is wiring making its way through. We'll just lift that grommet up and out of there. There it is, friends. Let's continue on and clean down the area. Let's get ready for our installation. Go ahead and take that wiring and slide it down and through the roof. Line up your rubber grommet with the corresponding hole. Start lining that up and pressing it down. At the same time, align both of your mounting studs. Once you have it in place, press it down. Once you have it down, continue on with your mounting hardware. We're going to start each of those on there and then we'll snug them up. You want to make sure these are nice and tight so your gasket makes a good seal and you don't have any leak. Continue on by attaching your wiring. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's completely secure. After that, continue on by pressing this area into the body of the vehicle. Reinstall your push tabs. If your vehicle had the grab handle, install that as well. The next thing you want to do is test that brake lamp and make sure it functions properly. Perfect.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.